Once our workshop floor was removed, we hired Ron Jameson, a local contractor, to help us build our space back. We needed to add a garage door to the building and to build a stable floor to bring our tools into our space. In a community of extremely capable humans, Ron and his team were standouts. While Dina and I knocked back old sections of plaster from the walls, Ron readied his machinery. The first goal was to build a compacted ramp so that we could bring down large machinery into the crawl space. Next, Ron set up a conveyor and hopper to load in material that could be evenly dispersed around the building. In the same fashion that our building was built, Ron mined, graded, trucked, and then filled the crawl space of our building with his own local material. Oh, and this, by the way, is Bobby. Bobby asked to be played by Burt Reynolds in this movie, but I said he was too handsome for a body double. Ultimately, he agreed. It took nearly 3 weeks and over 100 dump truck loads of various sized stone to fill the space. But eventually, we were left with a level and compacted surface to lay out our radiant floor. Oh, and this is us trying to do a double set thing. It didn't work. Over the next 2 days, we added a vapor barrier and then 2-inch foam. And then we stapled our radiant tubing in loops to heat different zones. Our goal in the future is to have a solar array that would power electric boilers to circulate heat through the floor. But we likely need to sell a few tables first. Maybe you can help with that. Nearly 2 months after moving across the country, we were pouring a new concrete floor in our workshop. The kind of floor you could really roller skate on. And believe me, we have. Once the floor had cured, we sprayed on a water-based finish that dries clear. We wanted an easy-to-recoat surface that repelled water and stains, but after living with it for a few months, coffee happens. Next, we scraped the ceiling for a week, swore a lot, and then we painted. Some days it's hard to believe we've made this much headway on such an old space. And when we get down, we hear Ron's sage words in our heads. There's only one direction to go, John, and that's forward. Until next time.